Hi everyone, it's your boy. I'm here with a new video to help you people. The people have been suffering a problem of, let me show you here in my text messages. There's this problem, this kind of problem, this one, like, hi, I tried calling you. People have suffered that problem a lot, and they have not been knowing the cause. The cause has been the network problem, and it has always been your own connections. So let's go and vanquish that problem. Come to settings. Come to data usage or more, cellular networks, more. It's a new APN, a new solving APN that will help you on this, guys. Please guys, don't joke with this thing. I'm serious with it. Come to cellular networks. Are you seeing the word access point? Access point names. Access point names. Oh, I'm the only one seeing. It's access point names. Tap it. Tap menu. In some phones it will ask you to add APN. Tap menu. I seeing the word menu. Menu. New APN. Don't reset to default, because it's saying access point name settings are not available for this user. New APN. Not set. So we come, we put the name. Come. Put these settings as you are going to see. Airtel. Sorry. Airtel.ug. Click OK. Come to the APN. Type web dot worried airtel.com. Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? Click OK. Tap menu. Say save. Recently, as I was connecting my data, there were no bars, things were not good, but I've connected, I've put this setting. So let me run back to data usage or connections. Come, tap cellular data. Tap it, cellular data. Click it. It's on. Whoa! Look, 4G plus. Am I the only one seeing 4G connection, data roaming? Wow! Guys, you should not risk out on this one. 4G, the bars are not coming down. The bars are straight. The bars are online. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please comment so that I can pin you in the comment, so that I can highlight you as one of the best members of my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Bye bye.